how to clean your daily sales report faster. Now, assuming that your task is to download the latest sales report from your portal, from your POS system, and when it's downloaded, it is appear like this one on top, right, where they has report header on the top and the durations of the sales report and also many other columns. And you have to manually rename the column from particulars to customer, and the voucher type to group. And also you need to delete unnecessary columns because the management is interested in the big picture, not the details. Like how many quantities and rate is not their concern. And also all these columns need to be removed. Then you also need to do a calculate column, rearrange the column, such as rearrange this number to here. So that is a kind of daily task that may takes you 30 minutes or 40 minutes to do this, and with errors. So how can you do this faster with zero errors? Now, assuming that you already load this into Power Query, which I cover in the part 1. Let's say you have already loaded into the source, and then you got the filter it, and you remove other columns. Now it's time to work on this data. So let's just look at start from here. Yeah, maybe here would be good. Okay, let's say you loaded into here. Yes, so I'm just going to delete until here. Okay, so now I'm just right click, remove this column. Okay, this is what we ended with in the part 1. So let's take a look at here. There are some table here. Okay, so if I click here, what do we get? All right, so we're going to expand this item. Yeah, expand this item, right? So, but uncheck this item. Okay, so click OK. Now we're only interested in the sheet type, so we just click on here, uncheck this item, click sheet. Yes, and well, now I'm only interested in the data column, so just right click on this column, choose remove other column, and we take a look at this, and you can see that this data has come with some several rows on top which we don't want it. So I'm going to remove this item. Well, go to add column, choose custom column, and we're going to key in a M language that is called skip table.skip. And remember, it's case sensitive, so T must be capital T, S must be capital S, and double click on this and tell Power Query that how many rows you want to remove, because it will be always the same, right? Every day the report will be the same. You are doing the almost the monotonous job, right? So every time you find that this is a boring task, then you can automate it, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 row is what you need to remove it. So just put 6 row, click OK. And so what's the difference? From here, now it becomes this. So we see that. So how do we take this value, go to the as a column, right? There is a M language called promote header. Let's begin. Let's add another column. So go to add column, choose custom column, and over here we type promote. Yes, table.promote header, and this time we click on this custom column. Okay, custom columns. Click OK. Okay, so what's the difference between here to here is that it's now promoted to the next column, so the next row, right? So the first row is now promoted to the as a header. So just like what the M language words means, promote headers. Okay, so well, basically we done with our part 2. Simple, and we're going to automate this step. See, it is now recorded. The step is right on the right hand side here. It's now recorded. So I just use the skip M language to remove the top 6 row with this, and then I use promo header moving here. So now do I still need these 2 column? Well, actually no need. So I just right click here, choose remove other columns. Alright, so I'll now deal with this one here. I can click on this item because can I just no so I just click on this item and I choose OK. So I have other columns that I want to work on, that we will talk about it in part 3. How to remove, rename, rearrange, calculate the columns, and so on. Yeah. So thanks for watching. So in this video you have just seen how to easily, after you complete the part 1, we continue on this part 2, which is to just remove the remove those rows on the top. Okay, so if you go follow step by step in this video, you will achieve how to remove the row successfully automatically, right? So now let's just go home, click close, and click I mean I'm already over here, right? So just click close and load, and look at that, this is Tutulu, right? So now let's come over here. You see that here I'm going to create another. Now this is day 3, so we're assuming that this is day 3, and then I double click on this, and I have this data here, so it's Tutulu, and then here let's just change to for some reason I change it to say 1000. Okay, 1000, and this one we change it to 2456. Okay, so it's just 2456. Okay, I save the work, and maybe here I add another row as well. So right click, insert, say well, maybe, yeah, maybe this one will do. Okay, okay, so that is 30. Alright, so everything looks like the same. Right, here maybe I'll put in 1 2 3, and this 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so these are fictitious data. Just save the work and then close this. Okay, so basically that now the system should loaded the latest file here. So let's just see what that works. To use Power Query, just right click here, change to refresh, and alright, as you can see that it's pretty fast. As you can you notice that it's now 3, 4, 5, 6, just as what you've seen earlier, right? So we are now loading the latest file here, day 3. Okay, you can see that 3, 4, 5, 6, 1000. Same with this here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1000. And there's the date column is not yet changed the type. And we just added one more row. This one, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and is right here as well. Okay, so gone are the days that you need to manually select this and then delete, and then you know, yeah, there are other steps like maybe you want to remove all this column. These are all manually done. You need to highlight this. You need to do it every single day. You don't need to do this anymore, and you also don't need to worry about if you pick the wrong file, because it will automatic pick the latest file. So just download this data from the system day by day. These automations will do for you. Okay, I see you in the next part 3, how to do all these other boring tasks, all automatic. Okay, thanks for watching.